Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have XOXO Hello Kitty Fun in the Sun Mini Doll Beach House. It's a very nice playset. Let's look at the back. Let's open it. Here's our beautiful Hello Kitty Beach House with the bow. And this is the rooftop, second floor, the yellow slide, and this one is a pretend water. This one is the elevator. It really works. We can try that later. Then we have Hello Kitty's bed. Look, it's a combination of green and pink. It's very nice with a bow. Let's put it here. And we have a couch. Pretty. Light pink and fuchsia. Let's put that here. We can pull this as our extra space for barbecue. We have Hello Kitty, or Kitty White, that's her real name. We have the kettle grill. It's so pretty, so cute. And you can open this up. You can grill a corn, barbecue. That's so perfect. Let's put the umbrella on the rooftop. Two chairs. The drinks. Perfect. Look at the design of the glass. It's very cute. I like it. This is one of my favorite Hello Kitty playset. And let's go down. Let's try the elevator. Let's go upstairs. Yay! There. Take a seat. Hello Kitty sister Mimi is going up. Whoop. The chair is a little slippery, so let's put Play-Doh here. There, perfect. There's Kitty and Mimi. We have another visitor here. Going up. Here we are on the second floor. Whoop, there's no chair. Let's make a Play-Doh couch. Now we have a yellow Play-Doh couch. This comes with a playset, so let's open it. Oh, it's a pink apple. Oh, so nice. It has glitters on it. Look. Looks like a glass. It's a very nice color, light pink with glitters. Let's check the barbecue. It's almost done. Maybe 5 minutes more. Let's make a Play-Doh table for Kitty. Let's put her apple here. Oh, we need a chair. We can bring this couch. It's so fancy for the outside. Now we have a table and a chair. Let's put the chair in here. Let's move the grill on the side. Yay! Perfect! Looks like our corn on barbecue is done. This is the pretend water where they could slide down, and it looks very little. So let's make an extension of the pretend water. Now let's start the fun! Slide! Let's start with Mimi. Whee! And then Kitty. Whee! You're next. Whee! And then last one is Kitty. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.